I've been spending the last several days, actually it's probably weeks now, going through 47 years of memorabilia for the business that I started with a $7 ad in a New York City newspaper. It has been an amazing experience because it's reminded me of an experience I had many years ago. I was at a women's conference and a woman that I had never met before walked up to me, tapped me on the shoulder, and she said, "God told me to tell you that not yet is not no." As I looked through the things that I had tried, dozens of brochures and programs and speaking topics and places that I'd traveled and proposals I'd submitted, and saw how many of them did not work. But I'm comforted by the thought that not yet is not no. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "I know the plans I have for you." And I know He has a plan for me, but more importantly, I know He has a plan for you. And one of the things that can stop that plan is clutter. Clutter is defined as anything that prevents you from accomplishing your work and enjoying your life.